A local woman is looking to buy land to expand her animal rescue organization that specializes in code red dogs. Those are dogs at risk of being euthanized, but she says she's having issues with funds and finding the perfect spot. Fox 23's Kaylee Carnine is live in the newsroom after talking with the founder of Bark Rescue of Oklahoma about what that land would mean for her organization.
After almost 10 years of running Bark, she says she's never seen a crisis like this in the state of Oklahoma. She says this land would be a game changer for animals across the state and her organization.
I really feel like there's angels that watch out for them because it seems like things always happen at the right time.
Jamie Cope runs Bark Rescue of Oklahoma, a rescue that takes in dogs from shelters that would otherwise be euthanized. She says hundreds of dogs are being put down each day in Oklahoma. The crisis is so bad, Cope says they need to expand, and fast.
You know, none of us have seen anything like this in the last 10 years. You know, we always had, you know, dogs that would be out of time and may get euthanized at the shelter, but the amount of pets that are getting euthanized is just unbelievable.
Right now, Bark is a small rescue house with 9 dogs. Last week, Cope posted an all-call on Facebook for people to help her buy this land, a place with the capacity to save 50 code red dogs a month. It's fully fenced with 2.5 acres.
It just seemed like everything was, you know, out of all the things I've seen, it was, you know, pretty close to perfect or what we were looking for.
But Cope says they couldn't come up with funds fast enough.
The land is pending. We really tried to raise the money before it sold. It was $135,000, which is a great deal for 2.5 acres that's fully fenced.
Even though the land is pending, Jamie says she's not stopping, and she will continue to look for properties. She's worked too hard.
It is hard. You know, 10 years of doing this has been really hard. But, you know, I feel like that's, you know, everybody has a gift. And I say this a lot. And I know that's my gift, that this is what I'm supposed to be doing.
And while Bark was struggling with funds, they were almost scammed, adding more stress to their expansion operation. I'm working on that, and I'll have that for Fox News at 10. Live in the newsroom covering news that matters, Kaylee Carnine, Fox 23 News.
If you'd like to support the rescue, you can donate at barkrescue.org. That's BARC rescue.org.